Hi, this is Bob. You know, over the last couple of years, I have been noticing a couple of bald spots, and it has bothered me to the point that I started to wear hats. Now, after doing some research, I decided that there are some very good products out there. I chose to try Regenepure DR. It has a key ingredient, ketoconazole, which has been scientifically proven to stop hair loss and even promote hair regrowth. Now, what's more important to me is that it also stops the production of DHT within the scalp. Now, DHT is one of the main causes of hair loss and will affect up to 70% of men and 40% of women at some point in their lifetime. Regenepure DR contains emu oil, saw palmetto, and more ingredients besides the ketoconazole, which is beneficial to regrowing hair. I've been using Regenepure now for about 6 months, and look at my hair. I no longer wear a hat. Thank you, Regenepure.